You know, as a public servant, huwag na yung servant kasi that's a cliche that is often used. Sometimes it's a disparage na ano na lang, a government worker. I was there to serve the people. And as a retired government worker, I still have that duty to serve the people kung kaya ko. And kung ano lang yung residual na para sa aming mga civilian na naging mga opisyal sa gobyerno. Whatever that kung maabot ko lang kung ano, yun lang maitulong ko. But I think this one is where I can makadiretso agad sa tao. At sasabihin ko, the issues prevailing now and it behooves upon me to explain to the people kung ano itong mga issues na ito